Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix clock app not working on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your clock app is not working on your Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to just click on the start menu, then click on settings, click on the apps, then you will find here app features, click on this. Here you will find this app list. In this you have to find clock. Here you will find Windows clock. Just click on this three dot, click on advanced option, scroll down. You can see under reset, if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Just click on this repair. After that, still you are facing the issue, then you can reset this app. This app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Then tap on reset, just tap on reset again. After completion of this, just close this window and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix clock app not working on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.